Hi, this lecture is on SparkSQL. We will demonstrate the fundamental concepts in SparkSQL using the DataFrame API. The objectives are run a SQL query, create a data frame from a table, write the same query using DataFrame transformations, trigger computation with DataFrame actions, convert between data frames and SQL. I have already created this classroom setup, so I will not run it, but please run it. So first method is executing SQL queries. So here the default language is Python. We have converted this cell to run SQL by doing %SQL, and if we run it, then what would happen is that we would get the table consisting of the name and price. Select name price from products where price less than 200, order by price. The second method is using the DataFrame API. So here it is spark.table, the table name, the select the field name, so where is the filter condition, and order by price. And if I do a display, it will display in a tabular format, and we can see the results are here. The query execution. The query execution engine has four parts: query plan, then it is optimized query plan, and then it is converted into resilient distributed data sets. They are low level representation of data sets processed by a Spark cluster, and then we go into execution. The Spark session is a single entry point to all functionality in Spark using the DataFrame API. In Databricks notebooks, a Spark session is created for you and stored in a variable called Spark. So if we run it, so we can find that it is the Spark session app name is Databricks shell, and this is what we are having. We can also create uh, use a Spark session to get the tables using the spark.table create products. Let's use a SparkSQL method to run SQL. So it is spark.sql, and we put the SQL name, which is select name price from products where price less than 200, order by price, and we display the result. Data frames is a distributed collection of data grouped into named columns. So this is what it is: spark.table, the table name dot select dot where is a filter condition, order by price. Then we do a display of the data frame. So let's first run it. The display would put the results in a tabular format. The schema defines the column names and types of a data frame. We can access a data frame schema using the schema attribute. So it is budgetdf.schema, and if you see the details, what it is, it has got a name which is a string type and a price which is a double type. We can get a nicer output by using the dataframe.print schema. The transformations. We can use a series of transformations, but such as select, where, order by, but these are lazily evaluated. That means they do not execute on their own. Actions. The actions are needed to trigger the execution of any data frame transformations. The show action causes the cell to execute the transformations. The count returns a number of records in a data frame. Collect returns an array of all rows in a data frame. Convert between data frames and SQL. Create or replace temp view creates a temporary view based on the data frame. The lifetime of the temporary view is tied to the Spark session that was used to create the data frame. So budget.create or replace temp view is the budget. So then what we do is that we can display the spark.sql using select star from budget. And then we can do a classroom cleanup using the da.cleanup. Hope you liked the lecture on Spark SQL. Thank you. Bye.